Hi there, it's Sam, and today we're excited to introduce components. Components are elements that can be reused across your layouts, and they will allow for your design to be more consistent and allow changes to be made faster. To create a component, select an element or a group of elements, right-click, and click on Create Component. The outline of this button is now purple. In addition, this layer in the layer panel is now also purple, and you can see the new component icon, all indicating that you're working with a component. In addition, this component can now be located in the brand new component panel right here. When we think about components, an important concept is instances. The main component is created first and is responsible for defining many of the style properties and elements. A component instance is a copy of the main component. And to create an instance, you can copy the main component and paste it into another location. For example, right here. You can also drag the component out of the component panel anywhere on the canvas. An instance is indicated by a single diamond icon within the layer panel, as you can see right here, whereas the main component is indicated by the quadruple diamond icon. Instances are automatically updated when the main component is updated. So if we change the color of the main component by clicking on Edit Main Component, and change the color to, for example, this black color, all the instances are automatically updated. When you change the properties of an instance, you are creating an override. And this means that this specific element will not change when the main component is changed. So when we change the color of this component instance to this green color right here, then we go back to the main component and we change the color back to our blue color that we started with. You can see that the instance that has an override will not inherit the new styles of the main component. If you want to clear the overrides from an instance, you can select the instance and then click on Reset Overrides. The instance will then again adopt the same styles as the main component. It's also possible to detach an instance from its main component, and doing this will prevent the instance from inheriting any of the changes made to the main component. So the instance is selected, and to detach this instance from the main component, we click on Detach Instance. Now, when any changes are being made to the main component, this instance will not be affected. When there are many components, you can always locate the master component by clicking on an instance and then click on Go to Main Component. You will automatically be redirected to the main component. When the main component is accidentally deleted, restoring it is easy. So let's delete this main component. And now to restore this, we find an instance and then we click on Set as Main Component. And now this instance has turned into the main component. In this example, we're working with a button, but anything can be turned into a component. From a button to a complete product card or section. Simply select the group of elements that you want to turn into a component. For example, this entire product card. Right-click on the canvas or right-click within the layer panel and click on Create Component. As you might have noticed, nested components are possible as well. We've turned this product card into a component while there was a component instance in this product card, namely the button. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you have a good understanding of the basics of components. Thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned for more product tutorials.